back. You're watching the Diary of a Dog Walker, provided by Crighton Pet Services, with me, Stephen Crighton, and you join us on Wednesday the 22nd of February in the afternoon with the more active dogs. We've got 8 rascals out today, including Max, who you're getting a nice close-up of just now. Max, you want to come out of the way, buddy? Good boy, good boy. Come and see, good boy. Max plus the other 7 and myself, join us, we encourage you, and we'll show you how we get on in the afternoon with these guys in a location which is proving to be incredibly enriching for them. So I'll maybe pop up again midway through or towards the end for definite and recap our day for sure. But until then, I'm just going to hand you over to the dogs and show you their experience of our walk. Thanks for watching. What an afternoon. Hello, Mr. P. Hello. No barking today, no? Good. How are you? Coast down, thank you. In. Doing well. We need to get you to sit though. Good. This is just the best invention. Not invention, placement. We're in the middle of nowhere and we've got a bin. I want you to... Otis! Go, Lottie. Where are you going, boss? Ah. Yeah. Whatever you got your nose in there for. No, thank you. It's a pretty steep climb for me. These guys don't care. Just another day for them. Where are we? And what is up here? Is this used or unused? Looks unused. Okay, stop smiling, buddy, you're fine. You're fine. Just getting in her way. Stepping onto the tee now, Stephen Crichton. There's actually something there. Pablo, you barked right when he took you. How are you going to do that again? Show us. What's your skill? Great. Great, good girl. Thank you for this. closer. 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 Oh, you Tulear. Cardy. Sit down. Easy. See the rain. One half out of Edinburgh, beautiful and sunny. 1/4 rainy, 1/4 cloudy. Lottie! Ah, nearly. You enjoying that, Pablo? There's like lots of raptors today. Good, Cardy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, come on, you two, get moving. Look at this. Otis! What's this? Everyone, on me. Otis! Alright gang, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch our silly little dog walk and all the fun that it's brought us. In particular me, I'm loving life today. It's so sunny and warm and we've just been running around daft. I've been trying to like capture some of it on the GoPro as I've been running. I don't know how good it's going to come out, but I'll stick it in regardless. You'll have seen it by now if you've got to this point. Hopefully it's put a little smile on your face, and me breathing and being out of breath hasn't been too overpowering in the audio. Anyway, from me and the gang, thank you for watching. We'll see you the next time. If you've subscribed, come on, tell me that you watching, yeah, you. Tell me you've subscribed. Now remember, I don't know if you have or not, so you need to tell me in the comments also. Okay, thumbs up for that. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.